Hey guys, welcome to my channel PNL Pirates, and on this channel I'm going to be teaching you everything about crypto in the futures. If you're a newbie, you don't know anything about futures trading, you don't know how to set up your account and all of that, simple strategies, how to escape losses, how to secure your profits, how to secure your capital. We're going to be discussing that here in this channel, so make sure you subscribe to our channel for all this type of content that will be coming up soon. Now today I'm going to be discussing how to move your stop loss. Now most people usually get confused when you tell them to move your stop loss to entry. If you tell them this, they usually get confused. They don't know what to do because they feel that okay, maybe whenever you talk about stop loss, that means you want them to set a stop loss, maybe they're in loss. That's what most people understand, especially the newbies. But most people don't know that you can use your stop loss to take profits. You can move stop loss, you can throw stop loss also. So basically I'm going to be showing you on this video, so work with me or watch with me how I'm going to be showing you how to do this. So the exchange I'm going to be using is MEXC. MEXC exchange is one of the best exchange for futures trading. So basically, as you can see, I have a trade running. I don't know if I'm in profit. Let's see. Okay, I am in profits. Alright, I'm in profit. So basically, as you can see, I didn't set stop loss and I didn't set take profit. Alright, so let's open the charts. As you can see, this particular token I'm trading is pumping, and I'm at $3.2 in profit. So I'm going to be moving my stop loss to entry to secure my capital first. Securing your capital is very, very important when it comes to this aspect of trading, because most people usually hit stop loss. Imagine this particular coin and starts reversing, and it goes down and it surpasses my entry and goes down. That means I am automatically in loss. You understand? So what we are going to be doing is moving our stop loss to entry. So anything that wants to happen can happen. So I won't lose and I won't gain. Alright, so let's go back to where we will do the setup. So basically, as you can see on my screen, my entry price is 0.04039. Alright, so where we are going to move our stop loss to entry is simply clicking the TP/SL button. So if you click there, this page will come up. Alright, so as you can see, take profits. On this box you can set your take profits. Second box below, you can set your stop loss. Now remember, our entry is 0.04039. Alright, now if I type that same figure here, 0.04039, right? As you can see, if I type that exact amount of entry on my stop loss, I will be in loss. Why? Because this exchange are going to be taking some little fraction from my capital. It's called fees, right? They're going to be taking some fees. That's what they are going to be charging you. So basically, what we are going to do to be in profit is simply adding maybe one figure. Let's say 0.040. Remember, it was 39 that ended, so I'm going to add 40. Now as you can see, it's 0.71%. Alright, so that means if this particular token reverse back and it hits 0.04040, it will close the trade for me. I won't be in profit and I won't be in loss also. Alright, so let's click on confirm and go back to the chart to check if it actually works. So click on confirm, then we'll go back to the chart. As you can see, we've moved our stop loss to entry. Alright, as you can see, if this particular candle decide to fall back and hit my entry, the trade will close and I won't be in profit and I will not also be in loss. Alright, so now, but here is the thing. we've seen the profits, right? And we don't want to be in loss, and we also want to take some profit. All right, so what we are going to do is move this stop loss above. All right, we are going to be moving it to this point. So I'm going to be putting my stop loss there, 0.04215. all right, so go back to where our setup is. So we're going to be typing 0.04215. As you can see, even if it's reversed back and it hits 0.04215, we'll still be in profit of $1.2. That's 200% in return. All right, so click on confirm, then we'll go back to check. Now, as you can see, we are secured already. We've secured $1 profit from this particular trade. We've secured $1 profit already. So anything that wants to happen now, if this candle decide to fall back, maybe there's any manipulation or anything, they want to rock pull this token now, we can't be rock pulled. Why? Because we've set our stop loss already. So don't get confused when we say set stop loss to entry or set stop loss above your entry if you are in profit. You understand? So I hope this video helped. Hope you learned something from this video, and make sure you share with your friends that want to get into crypto also. If you have any question, make sure you drop it below, and I'm going to be seeing you in the next video. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Peace out. Shiba here.